Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss sample paper 5, subjective questions. Question number 1. Why did Mr. Hamill blame the parents for their children's poor performance at school? How the parents were to be blamed? They used to send their children to work in the fields or in the nearby mills to earn some money instead of sending them to school. So this was the fault of the parents. Next question is, how did Douglas remove his residual doubts about his fear of water? Residual doubts means जो remaining doubts हैं कि when the instructor was finished but Douglas was not finished. He tried swimming independently, first in the YMCA lake, then he went to some other lakes and water bodies to test his skill in swimming. So, in order to remove his doubts, he tried to swim alone, and whenever he was in the middle of the water, the old fear returned, but this time he gained confidence and overcame his fear. Next question है, in the last line of the poem, My Mother at 66, why does the poet use the word smile repeatedly? The word smile, smile and smile. For two purposes, she repeated this word smile. One, to hide her fear from the mother, and second, to reassure herself and her mother that they will meet again very soon. Next, when Gandhi got the wholehearted support of the liars, he said, the battle of Champaran is won. What was the essence behind his statement? Means when the liars were by Gandhi's side, so he said, no, the battle is half won. So why? This was because for the first time, Indians were supporting and fighting for each other. Means all the Indians, the peasants, lawyers and other persons were united for the first time. And they were ready to face the British. So, when we are united, half of the battle is always won. Next है, how has Aunt Jennifer created her tigers? What traits of tigers do they reveal? Means how she created. She created tigers. She embroidered tigers on a tapestry. And the tigers were strong, powerful, fearless, bright, topaz in color, proud and confident also. Any 2 or 3 qualities you can mention over there in examination. Next is, how is the earth a source of life when all seems dead on it? There is a line in Keeping Quiet, no? Earth which seems to be dead proves to be alive. How? So earth is still, means apparently, lookingly, it seems to be a non-living thing, but it nurtures life. The complete life in this universe exists on the earth only. So that is why earth seems to be dead, but it proves to be alive. It helps other creatures, it helps vegetation, flowers, everything to grow on the earth. So that proves that earth is alive. Why did Charlie suspect that Sam had gone to Galesburg? Why did he suspect? When he read a letter, first day covers. One day when he was searching the first day covers, it was no doubt his imagination. He found a letter written by Sam, in which it was written that Sam had reached Galesburg and he was enjoying over there. He invited even Charlie and his wife Louisa. So Charlie suspect that this was at this point he became sure. Rather, the question is when did he suspect? When he could not find Sam anywhere for many days, and moreover he came to know that Sam had also exchanged his present currency with the old currency of 1894. Then he suspected, but when he read the first day covers, he was sure that he had reached Gilspur. So in the question can be in both the form, when he was sure and when he suspected. So I have given you both the answers. Why does Jo insist that her father should tell her the story with a different ending? Because she did not like the ending of the story that father told her that day. The father ended the story with mommy hitting wizard, and wizard restored the old foul smell of skunk. But Jo did not like this ending of the story. She insisted that the next day father would tell her the same story, but the ending would be different. This time the wizard would hit mommy back and refuse to change the smell of child skunk. Next question is, comment on the ending of the play on the face of the it. What was the end? End was the second scene when Derry went to meet Mr. Lamb for the second time. What did he notice over there? That Mr. Lamb was climbing on a ladder to pick crab apples. The ladder fell down with Mr. Lamb, and there was a sound. Derry ran to there and he found that Mr. Lamb had died. So this shows that though he could not meet Mr. Lamb for the second time, but he went there to meet him. He went there to meet him proves that he was influenced by the character of Mr. Lamb, by the positive attitude of Mr. Lamb. So this is very dramatic, and this shows that they could not meet for the next time, for the second time. Even then, the personality of Mr. Lamb had a deep influence on Derry. Now the long answer questions. First, how does the peddler respond to the hospitality shown to him by the crofter? In this question, first we'll give details how the crofter welcomed the peddler, how he shared his confidence with him, and what did the peddler do next morning? He did not respect the confidence. When both of them went out, and the peddler came back, broke the window pane, stole 30 kroners and ran away into the forest. So the complete incident will be described in this answer. Next is, for the children it is wrapped in wonder. For the elders it is means of survival. What kind of life do the rag pickers of Simapuri lead? Their complete surrounding. They live in abject poverty. There is no school. There is no basic amenity available to these children. They walk barefoot and they pick something valuable from the rags, both the children and the adults. But the adults do it for their livelihood. On the contrary, for the children, it is just a fun. No doubt they find something valuable, but they enjoy it. So, complete life of the Simapuri will be described in this answer. What Sahib, his other companions, and how they live there. No houses, mud houses, slum area, all the things. Now next question is, explain the reaction of the servants in Dr. Sadau's house when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. What was the reaction? The servants in the house were illiterate persons. Moreover, they were superstitious. They believed that the sea will become angry. How superstitious it is. The sea will become angry if they support Dr. Sadau. And secondly, they feared, they were afraid people. What if the governor comes to know that Dr. Sadao has given shelter to an enemy soldier? So, they also will be arrested along with Dr. Sadao. So, the reaction of the servants will be described in this answer. Next, what happened at the Golden Lion Hotel? Evans tries O-level. Golden Lion Hotels means finally Evans was traced by governor at Hotel Golden Lion. So there is a conversation between Evans and governor. The governor was able to nab Evans from the hideout at the hotel. The governor felt proud of himself, and in this proud he committed some mistakes. He even told Evans how he came to know that he was hiding in Hotel Golden Lion. From the correction slip he told him, from the question paper. But Evans was cleverer than the governor. He had the last laugh. It means he again cheated the governor. There are two mistakes we discussed in the previous sample paper yesterday. The two mistakes that the governor committed. He did not check the identity of the police personals whom he handed over Evans to take back to the prison. Secondly, he did not think to escort Evans himself while he was also going to the same prison. So, due to these mistakes of governor, Evans was successful in escaping again from the prison. So, these are the questions of sample paper 5. Students, I remind you again and again that you will find 100% questions in the board examination if you try all these sample papers.